Namaste, my name is Tara Basal, teacher of Navjyoti School. I am working as a facilitator on the project number 7, Culture and Festivals. Nepal is a multi-religious, multicultural and multilingual country. People here celebrate different festivals of different culture. My students are going to tell about the festivals which are celebrated in Nepal. Thank you.
To all the viewers of this video directed by our lovely sir Navraj Jaisi, and thanks to Tara Miss for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words before the viewers. My name is Sadan Bishta from Nepal, Latikoili Surkhet. I study in class 6 section A in Navjyoti School. Today I am in front of you to say about Janai Purnima. Janai Purnima is a Hindu festival celebrated by Hindus. This festival is celebrated to make the bond more pure and blissful. In this festival, many cereals are dipped in the water and kept for the whole night, and that cereal liquid is called kwatai. Food item is eaten by Nepali only. In Tarai region, this Janai Purnima festival is also known as Rakhi. In Hildi region, it is mainly called as Raksha Bandhan. In this festival, elder sister or tie a rope of yellow and red color in hand of his brother. That makes the body and the soul of her brother protected from evil souls. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear lovely friends. Today I am going to deliver about a speech. A festival is an event ordinarily celebrated by a human community. Festival especially regard of thanking to God, Goddess for giving a life and pray to God have a happy and long life. In Nepal there are many people of different caste, culture, religion and tradition. They all live with unity and without rival. Celebrated in Nepal are as follows: the Volensi, Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Tej, Chhat, Magi, Indra Jatra, Saraswati Puja, etc. Our culture is rich in tradition. It covers many festivals. Dasai is celebrated by Hindu followers is all over in Nepal. It is the biggest festival of Hindu religion. Dasai generally falls in Nepali month of Ashoj for 10 days. The first 9th day is called Navratri and the first day is called Ghatastapana. We saw several types of seeds in prayer room for Jamara. Jamara means a seedling of a small plant made in yellow color.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Chalse. I read in class 5. My school name is Navjyoti School. List out the festival and describe any three of them that are celebrated nationally and locally. The list of festivals are Dasai, Tihar, Tej, Holi, Saraswati Puja, Chhat. Saraswati Puja is the great festival of Hindus, etc. The festival is celebrated every year on the occasion of Basanta Panchami. It is celebrated with great joy in India, Bangladesh, Nepal and many other nations. Saraswati Puja is organized with full dignity by students in every teaching institution. Older people also give full support to the student. Cultural and international activities are also organized by the children.
Hi everyone, I am Arpit Kalar from class 5. Today I am talking about Holi. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated with our loved ones, of the biggest festivals in our country, which comes every year during March. Children, adults and even the elder citizens take part in the fun and preparation of Holi for 3 days.
My name is Rebecca. I read in class 4. My school's name is Navjyoti School. List out the festivals that are celebrated nationally and locally. The festivals that are celebrated nationally and locally are listed below. Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Maghi Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Losar, Chhath, Christmas, New Year, Jatra, Tej, Saraswati Puja, Mahasivaratri, Chaitra Dasai, Fagun Purnima, Buddha Jayanti. Conclusion: festivals reflect our identity. It inspires us to be positive and balance our emotional. It helps us to create a strong bond between family members, friends and relatives. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Angel Baik. I read in class 4 section B. My school name is Navjyoti School. Today I am going to present out the festival that I celebrate nationally and locally. They are Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Christmas, Chhath, Udauli, Ubauli.
Hello and namaste. My name is Shashank Pokhrel. Today I am going to tell about different festivals that are celebrated locally and nationally in Nepal. They are Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Chhath, Losar.
My name is Anupama Bura. I read in class 4. My school name is Navjyoti School. List out the festivals which are celebrated in Nepal. Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Tej, Jani Purnima, Sri Krishna, Janmashtami, Gai Jatra, Maghi Sankranti, Mahasivaratri, Losar. Now I am going to tell about these festivals. These each are celebrated by fasting, wherein ladies pray for miracles and purification for their personal body and soul. I have learned following things from these festivals celebrated by girls and women. It is celebrated by girls and women with song of Tej, dancing and fast and worship. Lord Shiva and Parvati come for a blissful married life. The fast is also known as Nirjala Vrat because in this day those women who keep a fast, they didn't drink water. It is a great festival. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Rupesh Upadhyay. Today I am going to tell something about festival of Nepal. There are many festivals in Nepal. Some festivals celebrated in Nepal are Dasai, Tihar, Eid, Tej, Holi, Christmas, Maghi, Udauli, Ubauli, etc. Festivals gives a sense of enjoyment. It offers the time needed to bond with family members. It brings joy and happiness. We can meet all our relatives, those who are away from us. Festival teach us to forget enmity and create bond of love. Thank you.